If you are looking for an affordable but quality drone camera, then Hubsan Zino 2 Plus should be the only choice for you because it is the best drone camera. In this video, I will discuss the Hubsan Zino 2 Plus review in detail. If you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, to up to date with the latest technology reviews. So, let's get started. Now, I will talk about its design and build quality. It comes outfitted with powerful electronic image stabilization, 4K camera with 3-axis gimbal. The Hubsan Zino 2 Plus gives 4K for 60 fps video with max 100 Mbps bitrate. Detachable 3-axis gimbal conveys high stability and photograph sharpness when you are shooting staggering recordings or photographs, expert aerial photography. On the off chance that you have been following Hubsan Zino 2 Plus for quite a while, you will understand that their quality continues to improve. This spots them in the rundown of the top-of-the-line toy-class drone creators. The Hubsan Zino 2 Plus is foldable by the plan. This makes it simple to go with just as to store. At the time of unfolding, it measures 13.3 by 9.5 and 2.3 inches. You get brushless motors. They are dependable, make a negligible clamor, and additionally don't overheat. Robots with brushed motors get the short end of the stick since they require more support and at last, even substitution. You may require enrolling this aircraft with the FAA. Whereas this can look like a disadvantage, it truly makes the quad steadier noticeable all around. ABS plastic is used in Hubsan Zino 2 Plus to make the frame and the distant regulator of this quadcopter. This is a sizable amount of safety for the fragile electronic parts inside the quad. Now, it's time to talk about its camera quality. As we have referenced effectively, this is a genuine 4K camera, with electronic picture adjustment which eliminates contortion from recordings. Image stabilization implies that the camera consequently makes up for any inclining, particularly when the quad is going around and when it is cornering. At the point when you use telephone storage to keep your recording, you will catch photographs at a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixel. For video, you will able to catch 4K at 30 fps or 1080 pixel at 60 fps when you store them in a TF card. This robot has an opening for a TF card and it upholds limits as high as 128 GB. Now, this time I will discuss about its battery quality. You will get your Hubsan Zino 2 Plus aircraft with 15.2 volt, 3800 mAh rechargeable battery. There is no compelling reason to purchase a second battery except if you truly need to. Its remote controlling system is very easy and handy. Remote controllers don't come any snazzy than this one. In the first place, it is little, agreeable, and light in weight. Besides, it has a little screen in the middle that shows significant information. For example, quadcopter distance, GPS information, drone tallness, and the battery voltage. Moreover, it has a retractable cell phone holder at its upper part. Some flight functions provided in the drone are described. That provides simplicity while flying a quadcopter. This drone equipped with the most recent superior quality advanced picture transmission framework. Sync LIAs and the transmission range of Hubsan Zino 2 Plus is up to 9 km. This drone has some pros like, easy to work in any event, for novices. Sleek remote controller. Has many flight capacities for hands-free fun. Takes excellent recordings and photos. Good fabricate quality for strength. This drone has a few cons. Wind resistance could be better. You need to enroll with the FAA. This can be the best Aliexpress drone selection for you. Hubsan Zino 2 Plus reviews can help you out to know better. It is a true substitute for its value. If you are looking for a good camera drone for fishing, we would recommend this drone to you. Also, if you want to make beautiful and professional videos, this camera works excellently. You will be amazed when you look at the price of this small camera compared to its video quality. Don't forget to subscribe. And I request you please share this video.